Each of us looks to our faith for answers. But along the way, we should ask, how well do we connect what we learn in church to the world outside the sanctuary? For a mother struggling to provide a better life for herself and her children, a ministry offering daycare could make her challenges a little less challenging. A ministry could build a family in temporary need a safe transitional home. Make a welcoming place for seniors. Or provide hot meals in the warmth of fellowship. Partnering with the Mission Investment Fund can make ministry possible. We use the money you invest in MIF to fund loans that help congregations and ministries increase their capacity for ministry and connect even closer with their communities. In short, be better neighbors and make a better world. The Mission Investment Fund of the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America. God's work, our hands.